the jury that the state tried to influence Kayla's testimony. The third was to prevent the state from arguing in closing that Kayla was ever alone with Harmony. And we know this is a big part of the defense's case, trying to suggest and indicate to the jury that Kayla was alone with Harmony and point the finger at her to keep it off their client, Adam. So hearing those three avenues of relief, do you think there's any possibility, Michael, that the judge might decide one of those is appropriate?
I think if he's following the letter of the law, I think, in my opinion, he has to find one of those appropriate, right? He has to. And kudos to the defense. I hope I meet this attorney at some point. I'm gonna tell her thank you for everything you've done. You did an amazing, masterful job in a very difficult situation where your own client abandoned you. So to answer your question, Judge Jesse, I think the judge has to take one of those avenues. The defense has really done a really good number in defending this person, but the judge has to pick one of those three avenues, because at the end of the day, you know, this witness has too many pop marks for her to just go through this case unscathed. And I think the defense made a very compelling point, and I'm curious to see what the judge does.
Yeah, it is going to be curious to see. Eric, let me ask you this about closing arguments once we get to those. If the defense does not present any evidence, which they don't have to, and we go directly to closing arguments,